Now that I have made my edits, let's export my video. I can do this by clicking on the red button at the top of the window. And this settings window will appear. I can also export by clicking on File and going down to Export Video or pressing Ctrl E on the Windows computer. I can give a name to my file. I can choose where I will save my file. I'll choose my OpenShot training folder. I can choose my profile if I want to export for the web. And now I can choose from a number of web options. And you can see there is YouTube. Let me choose YouTube HD. HD stands for high definition. You can see the video profile is 1080p, 25 frames per second. That's the default. I'm going to change this so that it matches my original project settings. Remember at the beginning, we had 720p at 30 frames per second. This has 29.97. It's about the same. We can choose that. Quality, I'll leave it at high. And I'll choose Export Video. This may take a long time depending on the size of your project timeline and the resolution of the video files that you are working with and the resolution of the video file that you are creating. The higher the resolution, the more difficult the computer has to work with the video files and to produce the final video. We're almost done, and there we go. Let's look at our video. Here it is. I'm going to play back.
Hi everyone, I'm working for this.
Let's look at the end transition. It's important to note that you will go through this process a number of times where you edit the video in your project timeline, you export, you review the video, and then you go back and you make adjustments. It is very rare to get the video just right on the very first export. Let's say I have a final edit of my video and I'm ready to upload to YouTube. I need to open up a web browser. Type in YouTube upload. If you don't have a channel, you can create one. I already have a channel. I can drag and drop my video into the YouTube upload window, and the video will begin to upload. I can give the video a name and a description. YouTube has already created a link for me to share the video. Once the video is finished uploading and processing, you want to make sure you share this link with the Globe team so that we can give you some feedback.